The mountain bike program here at Hyrox is pretty awesome. We have a large trail network here on camp that we have the ability to test all our skills on. But before that, we teach the boys a range of skills that will help keep them safe and have lots of fun on the trails. So we generally start in the activity field, learning some of those basic core skills to do with how to ride a bike, positioning and balancing, and other skills like that before we take them on a trail.
We make sure their bikes are the correct sizes, that they have the correct PPE and all their safety equipment. We just smash through these core lessons that we have, including like braking, like mounting, dismounting their bikes, coasting downhill, how to climb uphill, mainly just different riding techniques. And then once they're able to master those and we do different challenges out and around camp, we then will take them out on all the trails that camp has to offer.
When the kids start mountain biking, they're excited to just get on trails. That's like their most excited thing, because a lot of them ride with their parents or around their neighborhoods, but it's never like on a mountain bike trail. Hyrox is special in that regard, being able to get a wide variety of trails that we have on camp that take us through completely different levels of skill. So we have some that are like basically just a grass field or a gravel road, and we have all the way up to really steep descents with rocks and roots to a climbing trail that goes around the lake that's really challenging.
We also are very fortunate. We have the opportunity to go on trips. We have DuPont State Forest 10 minutes down the road from us and Pisgah National Forest about 20 minutes away. And they have a large array of mountain bike trails all throughout there.
And we reward these kids for the progress they make and give them an opportunity to ride elsewhere other than camp as well, which is pretty fun.
Mountain biking at Hyrox is like super fun. I did it as a camper and I had so much fun. The trips are honestly the best part about it because you get to go ride for half of a day to a full day. And we do some of the best trails in the Southeast. And all of those skills that you've learned through camp, you get to use them on a real trail. And you just get more time out in the woods getting to ride bikes. And that's honestly the best part about mountain biking at Hyrox.